cheddar, got it. Got cheddar, ain't got it. Good brain, college, good brain. Her frame, body, her frame, Musain, body.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this DIY edible arrangement for my mom for Mother's Day. It's really simple and it turns out really cute. So if you want to learn how to make your own, just keep on watching this video. Okay, so you're going to need some strawberries and grapes. You're going to need a pineapple. You're also going to need a cantaloupe, or you can sub this for a watermelon. You're also going to need some leafy greens. I just picked up some kale. You also need some bamboo skewers, and this is so you could stick the fruit onto them. And you're going to need a melon baller. So I just picked up all of this from my local Food Lion. And then you're going to need some cookie cutters also. You're going to need tin foil, wet foam, white chocolate, milk chocolate, a bucket, a little bowl, a dish strainer, and a cutting board. So right now I'm just going to be cutting up the strawberries. You can use any knife, and you just want to separate the leafy part from the rest of the strawberry. So you're going to want to make it look like this. Okay, so now you just want to take your wet foam and open it up and just place them inside of the bucket. Okay, so as you can see, all the wet foam didn't fit inside of the bucket. So right now I'm just going to cut it up and make it fit. So now you just want to take your aluminum foil, and you're going to want to stuff it inside of the bucket and make sure that it covers the wet foam. Alrighty, so now you're going to want to take your pineapple and you want to slice this up. So for this step, you're going to want to use a bigger knife than I used. I couldn't find the big knife that we had, so I just had to use this knife. Okay, so now you're just going to take your cookie cutters and you're going to press them into the pineapples to create your desired shapes. Okay, so after you scrape out all of the cantaloupe seeds, you're going to want to take your melon baller and scoop out little pieces of cantaloupe. So here I'm just pouring both my chocolate chips into different bowls, and after I do this, I'm going to put them in the microwave for about 30 seconds each time until they have melted all the way through. Okay, so now I'm just taking my bamboo skewers and I'm going to be sticking the fruit onto them. For this step, you're going to need your dish strainer to hold up your bamboo skewers, and now you're going to take your chocolate and dip the strawberries into the chocolate. So the chocolate part was the hardest part for me, but you just want to try to get creative and do what you can to make it look pretty. Okay, so here I'm just taking a pineapple and a cantaloupe and I'm sticking them onto the skewer to make the little flowers. After I finished making the flowers, I had leftover pieces of cantaloupe. So right here, I'm just putting the extra pieces onto some skewers. Okay, so now I'm just putting the grapes onto the skewers, and I think I used 4 or 5 grapes per skewer. Now that everything is done, I'm just going to be sticking the skewers into the wet foam, and I'm just going to make it pretty. There's really no right or wrong way to do this. You just want to stick them into the wet foam as you wish and create a beautiful edible arrangement. Now that everything is done, I'm just going to be adding the finishing touch. I'm going to be taking my kale and I'm just going to put them on the outside edges of the bucket. Here is the final product. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below and tell me what you got your mother for Mother's Day. Bye guys!